안녕하세요. Thanks for joining us today. We got a snug little home, kind of tucked away in a cul-de-sac area, and you can see it behind me. Nothing too crazy about it. It does have that classic old school American blue on the outside for the paint. You can always change that if you would like. But yeah, let's go take a look. Really snug. This is the driveway here, leading to the one-car garage. All right. When you first step inside, it's pretty empty here, which is nice. For a snug home, it's actually really open in this area when you first walk in. It doesn't feel too compact or too crowded, which is really nice. Let's take a look here. Opens up to the living room. This flooring looks to be pretty new. I'm not sure exactly how new it is, but it's in good shape. And we have the TV here, living room. Looks like the previous owners are moving out, so not much furniture. Got a little fireplace here, which is awesome, and bookshelf above the fireplace as well. And leads into the dining room, which has an open floor plan, and the kitchen. I do like the kitchen. I don't really like this as much, but some people might like that. Kind of secludes the kitchen off from the rest of the house. I'm not sure if it's for construction or not, but if this was taken out, it might feel a little bit more open. But you might like it. Me personally, I'm not too big of a fan. It does have cabinets here, and I do like the coloring of these cabinets. It's not that oak that you commonly see in this area, which is outdated, but this is really up to date and really up to date coloring as well. And this looks to be quartz, so not cheap for the counters. But everything here looks to be renovated and updated. This kitchen is in good shape, and that's probably the highlight of the home is the kitchen here. So, and no grass for the patio, but you do have that looks like it was just newly laid. The stone for the backyard, and it's a nice area. And you got trees here, and you remain pretty unbothered in this area. Almost feels like you're living in a forest. All right, and around the corner is the half restroom, which is really nice. Looks like the countertop in here is oak. You can see kind of mosey in here. It's a little space, but the countertops look to be laminated oak there. So I believe the kitchen is newly renovated since this home was built in 2005. Most of the home has the oak styling, but the kitchen does not. So, all right. First thing coming up the stairs is this bedroom, and really interesting shape of the bedroom. It overlooks the front of the home, and there is that little cove. Could have a chair there and a little reading area. Got the mirrored sliding doors for the closet. And this closet is a lot bigger than I thought it would be, which is really nice for anybody. Here is our full restroom here. And also looks to be the laundry room as well. They utilize the space very well. Here is the next bedroom, or if you would like, this could also be the office space or a baby room, just another bedroom that you can do whatever you want with. And the entryway for the master bedroom are these swinging doors, and that's when you know you've entered into the master bedroom. Got a ceiling fan and a skylight. I really like the addition of the skylight over the bed. It's really nice. And for a snug home, this is actually a decent sized master bedroom. You even have a fireplace here. And dual doors. It doesn't look like there's a walk-in closet, but you do have two sides, one for him, one for her. And I'm actually really impressed with the size of this bedroom. When taken into account, this home is really snug, but this master bedroom is actually pretty spacious for the home. Let's see if I can turn off the fan. There we go. And the master bedroom with an updated toilet and a bidet. 구독, 좋아요 많이 해주세요. Thank you for joining us today for this video. This is a really snug home, and the kitchen looks to be renovated, and if you would like to, you could always do more renovations, but just because this kitchen is renovated, the value of this home went up, and if the rest of the home were to keep up, then I would expect everything to increase in value. So it'd be a great investment, and a great area also, so tucked away in Eugene, and peaceful area, good for a retirement home if that's what you're thinking. But thank you for joining us today, and make sure to like and subscribe.